Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the AN Post app stuck on loading screen. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Then temporary glitches often cause the apps to get stuck on loading screen. Then restart your phone to refresh the system. Next, check if the app is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store, search for AN Post app, and then update the app if you have not already updated it. If the problem continues after updating, reinstall the app from the official App Store. That's how you fix the AN Post app stuck on loading screen issue. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.